Selenium Training in Chennai, Aimore Technologies, Chennai. Unleashing the power of Selenium Training in Chennai and its triumph over QTP, UFT. Evolution of testing landscape. Smartphone usage has changed, testing preferences in Chennai, reducing the appeal of proprietary VB script programs like QTP, UFT. Selenium Training has emerged as a more popular choice, capitalizing on its web application automation testing capabilities. Shift in user behavior. The rise of smartphones has triggered a notable shift in user behavior, leading to decreased reliance on installed applications. The shift has resulted in a decrease in QTP, UFT training enrollment. The impact of online storage services have become integral to daily digital practices, reducing the necessity for installed programs. Selenium Training offers a robust platform for web application automation testing, overshadowing the diminishing appeal of QTP, UFT. Web applications dominance. Selenium Training is leading automation education in Chennai due to the increased internet accessibility. As web applications gain prominence over installed programs, Selenium's prowess in web automation testing becomes a pivotal factor, driving a surge in enrollments. Rise of Selenium as an industry leader. Selenium has emerged as a frontrunner in web application automation testing due to the role of smartphones and the ever-changing preferences of users. The increasing number of enrollments in Selenium Training in Chennai underscores its dominance, marking a paradigm shift from traditional VB script programs.